Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not using Twitter to grow your brand, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get traffic, build an audience, and even make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple Twitter marketing strategy for beginners that actually works, even if you're starting from zero. The first thing you need to do is optimize your profile. This is very important because your profile is the first impression people get. Use a clear profile picture, write a simple bio that explains what you do, and include keywords related to your niche. Also, don't forget to add a link to your website or offer. When someone visits your profile, they should instantly understand why they should follow you. Next, you need to pick a clear niche. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is posting random content. Instead, focus on one niche like business, crypto, tech, or education. This helps Twitter understand your content and show it to the right audience, which increases your chances of growing faster. Now let's talk about content strategy. You should follow the 80-20 rule. That means 80% of your content should provide value and only 20% should be promotional. You can post tips, threads, quick tutorials, or even your opinions. This builds trust with your audience and makes people more likely to follow you and engage with your content. Consistency is also very important. You should try to post at least 1 to 3 times daily. The best times are usually morning and evening when people are most active. The more you post, the more chances you have to reach new people and grow your account. One of the best ways to grow quickly on Twitter is by using threads. Threads allow you to share more value in a single post. Start with a strong hook, like how I made my first $100 online or 5 mistakes beginners make, and then break it down step by step. Threads usually get more engagement and can help you gain followers faster. Another important part of Twitter marketing is engagement. Don't just post and leave. Reply to comments, engage with your audience, and comment on other people's tweets. This increases your visibility and helps you build relationships with others in your niche. When it comes to hashtags, keep it simple. Don't spam too many hashtags. Just use 1 to 3 relevant hashtags like marketing, crypto, or online business. This helps your content reach the right audience without looking spammy. You should also analyze your performance. Check which posts are getting more likes, retweets, and comments. Once you know what works, create more content like that. This is how you improve and grow faster over time. Finally, if you want to grow even faster, you can collaborate with other creators, join trending conversations, and create viral-style content. But always remember, value comes first. If your content is helpful, people will naturally follow you. That's it. This is a simple and effective Twitter marketing strategy for beginners. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll start seeing real growth. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.